Hello everybody. This is Professor West. Welcome back. I've decided this week I'm going to make a whole series of videos that are dealing with Microsoft Office. So I'm going to start with Microsoft Word, and instead of my normal computer programming videos that are 15 or 20 minute tutorials, each one of these is only going to be a couple of minutes long, and they're just going to hit a couple of topics, and I'm going to have them all posted on there so you can find what you need and do it instead of having to go through the whole video to try to find it. So let's jump right in. When you first start Microsoft Word, you hit this screen. This is the loading screen, and it gives you several options. If I've opened other documents recently, they would be listed here, and I could click on any one of them to open that document back up. On this side over here is what we call templates, and any of these, you would basically start off with whatever it shows here. So if I wanted to do a chronological resume, for example, I could click on chronological resume, and it would pull this document up, and then I could just make changes to it and maybe fill in my information. So there's a whole lot of different things. There's cover letters, there's fax cover sheets, there's reports, there's all sorts of things on here that you could choose from. And also there's a search box here that you can search, or there's different categories like education and letters and resumes and stuff like that. Today we're going to use a blank document. So let's click on blank document. And a blank document is just going to be the white, oops, got to double click it, sorry, got to click it twice. And so this is a standard Microsoft Word document. And this is up here, this is called the ribbon. These are all the tools that you're going to be using throughout the time. And this area down here is called the workspace. This is where you'll actually be typing. So notice as I click on, I clicked on File, I got all these different options where I can create a new one, I can open one, I can save one, I can print, whatever I would like to do. It's already on Home, which has copy and paste tools. It has functions, or tools here for creating and changing your font, paragraph styles, and then there's Insert for doing shapes and tables. And don't worry, we'll get to all these in various videos. But here's some designs, there's layout, references. For now, let's go back to, let's go to File, and we're going to do Save As. And I'm going to click Browse so that I can tell it where I want to save. And I'm going to come down here to my E drive, and I'm going to save it in my YouTube tutorials. And I'm just going to save it as document 13 and click the Save button down here. And that's it, guys. That's how you create a blank document in Microsoft Word. And this little video is only 3 minutes long. Hopefully this will help. And in the next video, I will walk you through how to use some of these tools. I'll see you then.